Second Impala on 84s, cruise control. Baby, I know. Step on the gas, brake, dip, let's go. Speakers in the back, let it hit for show. Baby, if you like it, we can get a little more. Ice in the air, let it fall like snow. Let me see that work. Some
Hey,
some
my
cute,
peeps,
she can
what's up? Don't know, it's a guy, Crane Brain. I'm out here again with another one. Long time I missing out for a scene, but it's for a good cause. Yeah, guys, so don't know me that work for myself a little bit. I try to enhance my skills and everything. So, today, I have a little surprise to all of y'all. I took out the brave side of me and went into the truck industry. Yeah, guys, so, well, I've been a driver for a long time, but I said I decided I'm going to share I want you to know. And today, we'll bring a load from, where I start from? I start from South Carolina. And now I'm heading to Ohio. But now, I slept overnight in West Virginia. Cool hills of West Virginia. So, just watch my corner one, guys. That will be a good experience. And oh, watch out. I can't even show you, but YouTube not allow them thing up on camera. But then I actually bust out my finger. In other words, I cut my finger on one of the frames on the truck. But that's a normal thing, them thing they have got experience. But anyway, guys, they are now today. I already get a little rest. Cause overnight I travel from 2 o'clock yesterday till 4 o'clock in the morning. So now I'm gonna take a little rest. Currently I think it's 11 o'clock now. So I'm head out now. So just watch them on one, guys. See? I'm out. Quick check. All the tires them look good.
Stress. I just need money, no pause, no dress. I just be cutting checks like I'm Steve and you live a best life. You need Jesus, cut of the belly, chuckle with the secrets. Now let's settle the issues. I can't for the debt, but they want me to fall. I'm taking the ownership. I need baguettes. We dropping location. They dropping the semen. I need
just do a quick walk around. So time to hit the road, though. And guess what? Today I want big snowstorm. I didn't know we have to go take on the road serious, you know. Yeah, guys.
Whoa, ha, it's like 7 a.m. and like 27. Look, I'm taking a walk, we get in a car, you follow my steps, you drunk, there's plenty of water, it's plenty of fish, but I'm a shark, a megalodon, done at the day, the after dawn, the camera lights, the flashing lights, you need I take out of school, just study geometry, you can't make a fool, I need me a tool. Whoa, ha, it's like 7 a.m. and like 27. Look, I'm taking a walk, we get in a car, you follow my steps, you drunk, there's plenty of water, it's plenty of fish, but I'm a shark, a megalodon, done at the day, the after dawn, the camera lights, the flashing lights, you need sun. I take out of school, just study geometry, you can't make a fool, I need me a tool.
100% great. See the enjoy your peeps. Come on, see the enjoy now. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna drop that trailer and pick up another one. So first I have to make sure I disconnect all that clad on them. mechanic. No, we can move off, guys. Hold on, dump the suspension. There we go.